In this video, I will guide you on how to delete your avatar on Snapchat. If you want to delete your Snapchat avatar, then all you want to do is follow these steps. First of all, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on the gear icon and that should open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of Bitmoji. Go ahead and tap on that. Now here, you're going to see your current avatar. If you want, you can change the outfit of your avatar, you can edit your avatar, or you can choose a selfie. But if you want to completely delete your avatar or your Bitmoji, then you want to tap on the Unlink My Bitmoji option. You might get the Remove Bitmoji option over here as well. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the Remove option. And in this way, you can easily delete your avatar on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.